Here's everything you need to know about your new Evelyn Bobbie bra. First of all, you're probably going to pull it out of the package, try it on and think, oh my gosh, this is too small. But don't worry, it's not. This is the magical moldable bra. So the first thing that you're going to want to do for cup stretching and overall fit is pull the pads out, just like so. As you can see, there's a little side pocket right here where you can just reach in and easily pull the pads out. And you can put them back in later if you prefer to wear them for modesty. The next thing you're going to adjust is your hook and eye. So you can start on the lowest setting and tighten up from there. But the thing that you need to know about your bra is that it can give you this incredible support once you've broken in the bra and figure out how it fits, in part by having a super tight backband. So don't worry if it's too tight, it's going to sit super low on your rib cage and feel great. Now here's for the surprising part. You're just going to step right into it. Watch this. Obviously, I'm wearing a bra right now, but you won't be. And you're just gonna pull it up over your hips and get that lift on the way up. You're gonna pull that lift up and into the bra. And remember, this is a long line bra, so it should sit low at the front, hugging the bottom of your rib cage and low at the back. Do you see how low that is? Low and tight. So now that I've removed my underneath bra, you can see, what? Obviously, if you tried this bra on, you would think it is too small, but it's actually not. Don't worry, this is completely normal, and here's what you're going to do. So you want this beautiful four-way stretch to give you a second skin and lift right where you want it. There's a bonded lamination right here, and it's pixelated so that you can stretch in between. So with my cups out, what I'm gonna do is lift my breast tissue up into the EB core, and I'm going to stretch. Just like this. And stretch this way, and stretch this way. And then I'm going to use my hand and just stretch along that lamination, just like that. One more stretch, and look at that. How much better does that look? Now I'm going to do the other side. So this four-way stretch and proprietary bonding is meant to mold to your shape. So you may have the perfect fit in your hands and not even know it. Just going to keep stretching like so. Use my hand again. Just like that. And there you go. Look at the difference. Now you can do what we call a swoop and scoop. So you're just going to reach in, pull your breast tissue up, and give it another stretch. Just like that. And I'm going to do the other side. Swoop and scoop and stretch. There you go. And if you're tall, like me, you can actually stretch these parts. Just like this. You can really pull it like that. And notice, I'm not being gentle. You can be aggressive with these bras. They will not break. And if they do, Evelyn Bobbie will replace it for you. You might be the first. And there you are. Low, tight, incredible lift. You now have your perfect bra in your hands. Give it 3 to 4 more wears and stretching as needed, and enjoy your custom fitting bra.